Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is kind of like a little bonus video for the week. It's not going to be long. I just wanted to show you guys what I got at Plato's Closet and Style Encore the other day, and honestly it was all free because I've already made the majority of my money back and that I actually spent that day, but also I have used money that I sold items for that I picked up at the Goodwill outlet that replenished the money I spent on those items, plus gave me free money to purchase these items with. Hopefully that all makes sense. Okay, so like I said, just a really quick video. I have the receipts here, so just to go over it all, the total amount I made at Plato's Closet and Style Encore was $141.55. I made $136.55. $136.55 at Style Encore and $5 even at Plato's Closet. So using those funds, I purchased about $100 worth of stuff, give or take a couple of dollars, but that's just a good number to use. And the items alone are worth well over that, even like on Poshmark. But these items, the majority of them are for me to keep. However, I did pick up I think 2 items to resell, and we can go over that there towards the end. So first up, I picked up this fossil bracelet from Style Encore. Super cute. I've already worn it once. It has fossil all over this little button. $5. That's all this sucker costs. Great. I'm really trying to step up the jewelry game. Next up is a size 12 Lululemon workout top. It has a built-in sports bra, which I love not having to worry about finding a clean sports bra when I work out. I don't have that many sports bras either, so the built-in stuff is great. That, I believe, was from Plato's Closet. Wrong one. And with a discount, I think I got 20% off on this. It was $11.20. So they priced that tank top at $14. So when you sell there, you earn points. Also, when you buy there, you earn points. And for us, Tuesdays are double points. So I try to go on Tuesdays for the double points. I also always make sure that both Style Encore and Plato's Closet gives me my points whenever I sell and buy there. Next up are these universal thread. They kind of have the paper bag waist, not as cinched as I would like. These were on clearance. They were $3, so it was initially $6, but 50% off. They're super cute and comfortable. So yeah, I'll wear them a couple of times at least. Next up is this freaking adorable little owl bracelet. It's Kate Spade. I got this from Style Encore. It was initially $40, and I did use my 20% off coupon that they attached to your seller's receipt. So I brought it down to $32. And like I said, it's pretty much free. I mean, it is free. Who am I kidding? To me, this stuff was free. This is how I build my wardrobe, how I recycle things. Like, it's a great system if you can figure it out. Next up is this Adidas long cropped. It is cropped just a smidge, but it was meant to be this way. It is an extra large. It was clearanced out. It was initially $20 at Plato's Closet, but I got it for $10. They don't double discount. So if you have like a 20% off and you have clearance items, it's one or the other, and obviously clearance items are gonna have the bigger discount. Another Adidas item, this is actually purchased for work. It's a skort. Never in my life would I think I would be buying skorts, but it's hot out and I work at the airport and the tarmac's really hot and they allow us to wear skirts, so I'm just gonna, sneak that one through. That was $12 initially, but with the 20% discount, it was $9.60 at Plato's Closet. Next up are Madewell jean shorts. They're kind of stiff. I I'm hoping they'll soften up like in the washer, but you can see the Madewell tag. They have a longer inseam, and they covered my butt well. So I snatched those up. They were priced for $18, and that is what I paid for them. Next up, it's already listed online. Actually, this has already sold. I listed it last night for $38, and I got a $31 offer off Macari, and I accepted it. So they are Lily Pultzner, new a tag, little scalloped shorts. So these are going to get shipped out today. See, new a tag, $78. Woohoo! I paid, how much did I pay for these? I paid $4 for these. So not too bad. They were initially $8, but they were clearanced out, which is crazy. So yeah. And I do, just so you guys know, in case you're interested, when I ship items out, I pre-package them in these little things, and I actually lint roll them before I package them. Obviously, I have a cat, his hair gets everywhere. I do put on every listing that my home is a pet-friendly home. That way, if somebody says, oh, there was hair all over it, first off, sometimes I spend way too long lint rolling these things. Not saying that some hair doesn't get on there, but when people say that, I'm just like, well, I know I took care of it. And so if they try to return it due to that, I can say, look, it was listed, I have a pet-friendly home. So the chances are you will have like a hair or two in there. And if that bothers somebody, they have the option just not to purchase from me. And then lastly is this freaking gorgeous Lane Bryant tank top. It has a high-low like side thing here. It's a size 20. I tried to make it work for myself and it does not. So that is also already listed. Once again, I'm always open to offers if you do shop my closet or eBay or Macari. Yeah, just don't send me like $8 because Poshmark takes so many fees out. I don't know. I guess it depends on what day you catch me on. Anyways, besides that, for the Tord tank top, that was from Plato's Closet, and I paid $3 for that. So all in all, I spent $55 even at Style Encore for the Kate Spade, the Fossil bracelet, and the Madewell jean shorts. And then at Plato's Closet, I spent a total of $38.31. So, and that was with the $5 that they would have given me in cash for my trade. I credited towards that, so it really was $40.80 after sales tax. That's really confusing. Oh, I had $2.86 in sales tax. So anyways, the $5 pretty much covered my tax. With that being said, that's what I got. I already sold the Lily Pultzner shorts, like I said, for $31. I believe I get $27.90 from them through Macari, and so that almost covers the entire cost of my Plato's Closet haul, which I love that. Hopefully the Tord shirt will sell soon too, and then everything will be covered. So everything from Plato's Closet, not from Style Encore. That one was just a $55 treat to myself. With that being said though, I hope you guys liked this little video I decided to do real quick. Give it a thumbs up, comment any ideas, anything you liked, anything you'd like to see more of, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.